Don't worry if your refrigerator looks slightly different. The tips may still help, so feel free to give them a try. Refrigerator too warm or too cold? Here are some helpful tips to get the temperature just right. If your refrigerator was just installed, adjust the temperature to the recommended setting and wait about 24 hours for it to stabilize. For cooler temps, adjust the control towards coldest. For warmer temps, adjust the control towards cold. Make small, gradual changes to allow the temperature time to stabilize. Here's what to do if you're experiencing any of the following conditions. The freezer is too cold, but refrigerator temperature is fine? Adjust the freezer to a warmer setting. The refrigerator is too cold, but the freezer temperature is fine? Adjust the refrigerator to a warmer setting. Note that adjusting the refrigerator control changes the temperature in both the refrigerator and freezer. The freezer is too warm, but refrigerator temperature is fine? Adjust the freezer to a colder setting. The refrigerator is too warm, but the freezer temperature is fine? Adjust the refrigerator to a colder setting. Wait 24 hours. Check the fridge temp, then adjust again as needed. Also, be sure not to block cold air vents. Disrupting the fan's airflow can cause food to freeze in the fridge. Lastly, if you want to turn off your fridge completely, you must unplug it. Setting the temperature to 0 turns off only the compressor, not the power to the light and electronics. That should do it. It's easy to keep your cool about cooling. You've got this.